What if I told you that everything you know about the days of the week is wrong? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. They are all in the wrong order. Everything was altered. And worse still, it was deliberately manipulated. During the Middle Ages, the priests tampered with the calendar. Do you know why? To impose Sunday as the seventh day. But the true order is very different. Listen closely. True astrological, Monday moon, Wednesday, Mercury Friday, Venus, Sunday sun, Tuesday Mars, Thursday Jupiter, Saturday, Saturn. This hidden calendar is the most ancient order because it reflects the true order of the worlds in our solar system. It is the real astral clock. Many Kabbalists get lost trying to perform magic, rituals, or meditations using today's calendar. But it's been tampered with. The result? Nothing works. It's not that Kabbalah is flawed, it's that we're using the wrong days. Math, on the other hand, is precise. And in Kabbalah, that means everything. The 22nd arcana can be applied to the planetary hours. This is how the true power of the esoteric clock is awakened. If you're tired of nothing working, it's time to awaken to the real inner time. The time of the soul. Do you want to discover the astral clock and the arcana that rule your spiritual hour? Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to read this hidden clock.